what's up guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Abhi and I'm back with a new video. Today we are going to discuss the top 5 programming languages that you should learn in the coming year 2022. As we are getting into 2022, my first video is going to be this one. I've also made a similar video in the last year, that is 2021. So this is the next part of that series. So to get the top 1 programming language this year, then watch the video till the end. So without any further delay, let's get into the video. The top 5th programming language in the list is PHP. Most of you people might be thinking that PHP, is it not dead till now? Still there is a lot of work that has to be done in the PHP side, because if you just Google that how many websites are actually working on PHP, you'll be getting a result of 78.9% of websites are still using PHP. As of now, there is a shortage of PHP developers that are available to maintain the code for these websites, and it will be an additional benefit if you learn Laravel framework. The best point of PHP language is it has a huge community that are always ready to help you whenever you have got stuck, and if you are a beginner, this language will also make you land your first job. Now the top 4th programming language on the list is C and C++. C is a low level language that directly deals with the hardware, so if you are getting into coding just now as a beginner, then C would be the best choice for you if you want to know how actually memory allocation works, how actually the code is being executed, how compiler works, how interpreter works, etc. C language is mostly used in developing the operating systems like Windows and Linux. Now coming to C++, this language is an object-oriented programming language where it deals with classes and objects. This language is used for developing desktop apps and also game development. So this language is also not going anywhere in the near future. The top 3rd programming language on the list is Java or Kotlin. On September 14, 2021, official blog by Oracle says that they are introducing free Java license. 100% of the Java would be available free for the public. This indicates that actually there was something that went wrong when they have made Java a paid language. Java is used in many of the IT companies in the world, and many of the projects are actually working on Java itself, because Java is used in developing scientific apps, Android apps, and also web development. Also the finance sector is already written in Java, and they need a lot of Java developers to maintain that code. So Java is also not going anywhere in the upcoming year, and in fact there is a huge demand for these Java developers. After learning Java, learning a framework related to it, that is Spring framework, would be an additional benefit to you. And getting into Kotlin, if you are purely focusing on Android development and want to get deeply into Android development and your sole purpose is for developing an Android application, then Kotlin is your go. But you want a language that is not only used for developing Android apps but also for other test cases and other usages, then Java would be your option. Now, the top 2nd programming language on the list is nothing but Python. Yeah, it is a high level programming language, and it is actually easy to learn by a beginner if you are just getting into coding, because most of the syntax is actually related to the normal English that we speak, and for a beginner it would be easy programming language that you can learn. That is the reason within a short period of time Python is become one of the favorite programming languages and always coming in the top 5 list from the past few years. Python is mostly used in the advanced topics like data science, machine learning, and back-end web services. And if you want to learn Python as a beginner, there are a lot of documentation and a lot of video content available on the internet, and you can learn all of this for a free. At present, Python 3 version is running in the market. Now let's get into the good part, that is the last programming language, and that is the number 1 programming language on our list is JavaScript or TypeScript. JavaScript is used by Uber, Google, and Microsoft, which are a product-based multinational companies. At first, JavaScript was only used to add responsive elements to your websites, but at present it is much more than that. Now JavaScript is being used both in the front-end side and also in the back-end side. Also there are many frameworks that are available for JavaScript, and the most famous ones are AngularJS, React.js, and Vue.js. Make sure you also get familiar with the Vanilla.js. Last time I have mentioned it in the top 5th programming language in 2021, but within a year it has got the number 1 position. Also I have mentioned TypeScript. It is also a well developed language as of now, and there are not many developers that are good enough to actually write code in TypeScript. They just add an extension of .ts but still write the code in JavaScript, which is a downside to it. Also some honorable mentions are SwiftUI, R, and Golang. And that's all from this video. I think you have got a clear idea about what are the different programming languages that you should learn in the upcoming year 2022. If you still have having any doubts, just feel free to comment down below. I'll definitely answer those questions. And also don't forget to like this video and share this video with your friends and colleagues so that they can also get this information. And if you want to see more videos like this, hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell icon so that you will be reminded whenever I post a video in this YouTube channel. And that's it from me today, guys. I'll see you in my next video. Cheers.